What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. Today's video is going to be slightly different. So instead of me talking, it will be a robot talking to you. So over to the GFX Kapture robot.
This is GFX Kapture robot speaking. This is GFX Kapture robot speaking. Before I reveal my secrets, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Good. Now you have subscribed, let me show you how you can change a human voice to a robot voice in Premiere Pro. Take a voice clip in Premiere Pro. Check that it is a human voice. Go to Effects and Preset and search for Flanger. Go to Effects Controls. Change the default to Robotic and close the window. Go back to Effects and Presets and search for Pitch Shifter. Go to Effect Controls. Change the semitone to about -6. Change the sense to about 30 and close the window. Go back to Effects and Presets and search for Analog Delay. Go to Effect Controls. Change Default to Robotic Voice in the drop-down menu. Change Delay to about 20. And change Trash to about 88 and close the window. Now you play back your clip and you can talk like me. Once again, subscribe to this channel and have a good day.